Hey kids, it's me Vandana. Welcome to Eggplant Education. In our last video, we saw the concepts from chapter 1. Yes. What is a chapter 1? A chapter 1 is about back and forth counting. In chapter 1, we saw what is counting, what is forward counting, and what is backward counting. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about what comes before and what comes after. Okay? Okay, kids. So before we start learning the next concept, we'll quickly have a very small fun task. I hope you're all so excited. Yes? Come on. Here we go. Can anyone guess the vegetable name from the given picture? I'm going to give you some time. The time starts now. Come on. Guess. Time up. Awesome! I hope you all found the vegetable name. Yes, you're correct. It's potato. Potato. Good job. That's awesome. Okay, let's begin our class. Now, we shall quickly recollect the concepts that we saw in our last class. Okay? So, what is forward counting? Forward counting means what is forward counting? Forward counting is counting from a smaller number to a greater number. That is counting upwards. So from a smaller number to a greater number. This is forward counting. And what is backward counting? Backward counting means counting from a greater number to a smaller number, or counting downwards. So we call it as a reverse counting or a back counting. Okay? So this is known as back counting or reverse counting. Now let's see our today's topic. What comes before and after? Before and after numbers. These are the numbers that come ahead of another number before and behind another number after. So let's see one by one. Okay? Now we'll start with after number. After number means forward counting. It is actually a forward counting from a given number. Okay? So after number is always one number greater than the given number. We'll see a little example. See, look at this choo-choo train. Here we have number 1 and number 2. You are going to tell me what number going to come. What number is next after 2? What is the next number? 1, 2, and any guesses? Yes, it's number 3. See, look at this. This after number is always one number greater than the given number. So after 2, the number is 3. It is one number greater than the previous number. Yes? Now let's look at some example. Here we go. His name is Tattoo. He's a magician. Yeah, he does some little tricks, little magics. So what he's going to do, he actually wants to cross this valley. He wants to go on this side. How he can cross the valley? There is no bridge or anything. So what he's going to do with his magic is going to build a bridge. So he's telling, abracadabra, build a bridge with the magic stones. Aha! The bridge. Here we go. He built a nice bridge with his magic stones. Now, we are going to see how he's going to do the forward counting. And we are also going to see what comes after. Okay? Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, there is no number next after 7, yeah? So what comes next? What comes after 7? Can anyone tell? Yes, it's 8. And what comes next after 8? Yes, it's 9. And after 9? Correct, it's 10. Good job. Keep it up. So, you saw what comes after. We will see some more examples in using the number line. Okay? Here we go. The given number is 5 here. You all can see, yes, the given number is 5. So, you're going to tell me what number comes after 5. Look at the number line and tell me what number comes after the number 5. Any guesses? Yes, it's 6. After 5, it's 6. Now, some more examples, okay? Very nice flowers, yeah? Okay. So, here is the number 12, 13. What comes after 13? 12, 13. What comes after 13? I told you already, after number is always greater than previous number. That is, one number greater than the previous number. That is the given number here. Previous number. So it's 13. So what comes next? It's 14. Correct. 12, 13, 14. Now we'll see about before. What comes before? Before number. Actually, before number means it is a backward counting from a given number or one number lesser than the given number or the previous number. Okay? We'll see some example. The same choo-choo train example. Okay? See, look at this. There is number 3 here and there is number 2. We have to use the backward counting. Okay? 3, 2. What comes next? It's 1. Yes. And look at this. The before number is always one number lesser than the previous number. And we also use the backward counting. So it is 1. Here comes Tattoo. Tattoo wants to go back to his home. So let's use a backward counting. He's going to come in a reverse direction. Yes? Okay. Let's start. While we learn the backward counting, we also get to know what comes before. Yes? Let's see. 10. He's in 10. Yeah? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. What comes before 5? Any guesses? That's right, it's 4. After before 4, it's 3. And before 3, it's 2. And correct, it's 1. Good job, kids. You are all so brilliant. Good job. Next, we'll see the number line. Okay? So let's look at our number line. We are going to say what comes before number 5. Yes? Is what comes before 5? Yes, it's 4. Number 4. Another examples. Okay? So let's go in a reverse direction. That is backward counting. They have given the number 14, 13. You are going to tell me what comes before. What comes before 13? Before 13, see, always before number, one number is lesser than the previous number. So what is the number given here? It's 13. One number lesser than 13 means the before number is 12. That's correct answer, yeah? Okay, let's look at our number line. We are going to say our numbers on the number line. The first one here, we have 1. And the second is 2. Then we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now they have given you 8 as a given number. Okay, 8 is here. You all can see, yes? Now we are going to find what number comes before 8 and what number comes after 8. Okay, shall we see? Come on, let's go. What is the before number? Yes, before 8 is 7. And what comes after 8? After 8 is always greater than the given number. Yes, so the number 9. So the given number is 8, before is 7 and after number is 9. Now let's see another examples. Okay, what comes before and after? You all can see here, yeah? So the egg is just before the chick. The egg is just before the chick. and the hen is just after the chick. The hen is just after the chick. Look at this number line. On the number line, the number 2 here is before the number 3. Yes, number 2 is before number 3. Before number 3, the 2 is here. And number 4 is after number 3. This 2 is before number 3 and this 4 is after number 3. Number 3 actually between number 2 and 4. Number 3 is between number 2 and 4. Again, I will tell you. Number 2 is before number 3. Yes, actually the number 3 is the given number. You can say it as like this also. Like how number 2 is before number 3 and number 4 is after number 3. And number 3 is between number 2 and 4. Okay? Now, we'll see some more examples. What comes before 3? You are going to tell me. What comes before 3? I have shown you the arrow mark too. You can tell me the answer. It's very easy. Looking at the number line, you can tell me the answer. Yes, you're right. It's number 2. Correct. And what comes after 7? After 7, it's 8. Next, what comes before 8? Before 8. Yes, it is 7. And the last one, what comes after 9? Yes, after 9 is 10. A great job, kids. Very good. Okay, we'll see some more examples, okay, what comes before and after, so that you will get thorough with these concepts. Okay, kids? Okay, come on, let's go. First, we'll see what comes before. Okay. Always, before number is always comes in left side. Okay? And after number, it always comes in the right side. It's just a tip, okay? Okay, what comes before? Let's see this number. The given number is 10. So, what is the before number? Before 10, it's 9. And the second number here is 9. What comes before? Before 9, we get 8. And before 17, what is the before number before 17? It is correct, 16. And before 12, yes, it's 11. Let's go to after numbers. What comes after? See, I told you after numbers always comes in the right side. So after 8, it's 9. After 28, yes, 29. And after 15, 16. And after 6, correct, it's 7. See, you all learned what is after and before numbers, yes? Okay, now we'll see these concepts, what comes before and after in forward counting and in backward counting. Come on. First, we'll see what comes before in forward counting and in backward counting. In forward counting, smaller number always comes before greater number. See, look at this number, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is a forward counting. You can look at the arrow mark. It is forward counting. It is going from a smaller number to a bigger number. So it is a forward counting. Let's see. 3. Number 3. Look at this 3 here. The 3 comes just before 4. Yes, 3 comes just before 4 and 4 comes just before 5. In forward counting, numbers coming before 5, the numbers coming before 5, what are the numbers we have here? 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So before 5, in front of 5, what are the numbers we have? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, now let's take this number 4. Before 4, what are the numbers we have? Yes, we have 0, 1, 2, 3. We have 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. example for backward counting. We'll see what comes before. Look at this backward counting or reverse counting. It is always going from a greater number to a smaller number. From 6 to 5, 5 to 4, 4 to 3, 3 to 2, and 2 to 1, and 1 to 0. So it's always going from a bigger number to a smaller number. In this, now we will see what comes before in backward counting. Okay, let's take the number 6. This 6 comes just before 5. Yes, it comes just before 5. And this 5 comes just before 4. It comes just before 4. In back counting, numbers coming from 0 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yes, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And numbers coming before 1. This is number 1. Before this, what are the numbers we have in backward counting? We have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes? Okay. Let's move on to after numbers. We are going to see what comes after in both forward and backward counting. What comes after? Just remember that greater number always comes after a smaller number in fourth counting. By looking at these numbers, the direction of the arrow mark, you can able to find it is a forward counting. Yes, because it is going from a smaller number to a greater number, a biggest number. Yes, so 8 to 9, 9 to 10. Likewise, it goes from a smaller to bigger number. Now we'll see what comes after. Okay, let's take number 9. 9 comes just after 8. Yes, after 8 only 9 is coming. So 9 comes just after 8. And let's take number 10. This 10 comes just after 9. Yes, after 9, what number is you're getting? It's 10. So you can say it as 10 comes just after 9. In forward counting, numbers coming after 8. So this is number 8 in forward counting. Numbers coming after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So this is a forward counting. In forward counting, we are going to see what number comes after. So this is given number 8. After 8, it's 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. That's good. Now, we'll see what comes after in backward counting. When we do backward counting, what is backward counting? Numbers coming after 29 are, this is 29. So it is going from bigger to smaller. Yeah, it is a backward counting. So after 29, it's 28, 27, 26, and 25. Numbers coming after 28. Let's take this number. After 28, this is going in this direction. Yeah, so after 28, it's 27, 26, and 25. That's all. So kids, I hope you all understand the concepts of after and before numbers. Yes, and we also saw so many examples, the tattoo examples, the sunflower examples, and a lot of examples we saw after and before numbers. And we also saw how to find after and before numbers in both forward and backward counting. Hope you all understand. Okay, so I will see you in the next video. If you like this video, you have already subscribed my channel, you can click the bell icon to make sure that you get a notification every time I post a new video, so you never miss a thing. Okay, thank you so much kids. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe. Okay, it's your Eggplant Education signing off. Bye bye.